morning students. Today we are going to see the poem What If by Shel Silverstein. Do you know Shel Silverstein? Maybe you don't know. Shel Silverstein was born on America. He was a writer, poet and cartoonist. He was one of the most famous children's author. His famous work for the children is The Giving Tree. He has won 2 Grammy Awards. Grammy means very precious award, that is. Then he was nominated for Oscar also. So first you have to know about the author. What is the author of the lesson? Shel Silverstein. He was born on America. He was a writer, poet and cartoonist. He has won 2 Grammy Awards. He was one of the most famous children's author for all time. Okay. Before going to start the poem, I want to ask something to you. Before going to bed, you fall asleep immediately or you think something? We usually think something in our bedtime, isn't it? So what are the things? It may be the day of the events, the particular day, what are the things was happened, or the next day plans, tomorrow what we were going to do, then happy memories, sad things, any fears, whatever we think something in our bedtime, isn't it? This is the poem, a small children whose mind fills with tears and struggles when he goes to bedtime. Okay. Shall we see the poem? What If? What is the name of the poem? What If? Written by Shel Silverstein. Okay. What is the meaning of what if? Already we learned if clause, isn't it? If clause is a conditional. So this poem fully they have asked the condition. If this happen, if that happen. So that meaning only what if. Usually we also have a fear, but this is some different fear that children had. Last night while I lay thinking here, some what ifs crawled inside my ear. Sorry. Last night while I lay thinking, here some what ifs crawled inside my ear and pranced and partied all night long and sang their same old what if song. What if I am dumb in school? What if they have closed in swimming pool? What if I get beat up? What if there's poison in my cup? What if I start to cry? What if I get sick and die? What if I flunk that test? What if green hair grows on my chest? What if nobody likes me? Last night means the day of yesterday night. While I lay thinking here, when the child was ready to sleep, some what ifs means some worried things, crawled inside my ear. What is the meaning of crawled? The meaning of crawled is moving with body, some insects and animals, snakes, do you know? So that is only crawled inside my ear. So what ifs how crawled? That is imaginary. Usually birds cannot crawled. That is the poet imaginary. What ifs crawled inside the child's ear and pranced and partied. What is the meaning of pranced and partied? It is jumped around. Jumped around means the child's mind and pranced and partied all night long. The last night, fully the child have the fears and worries and struggles jumped around the small child mind and sang their same old what if song. Usually the child had the same fear, that only that day also came into the child's mind. So last night while I lay thinking here, some what ifs crawled inside my ears. when the child was sleeping, ready to sleeping, that time the bad what ifs crawled in the child's mind and pranced and potted all night long. Pranced and potted means jumped around. The thoughts jumped around, disturbed the child's mind all night long. All night means the night fully. The child had disturbed and sang the same old what if song. What is the what if? What if I dump in school? What if they closed the swimming pool? What if I get beat up? What if there's a poison in makeup? The first worry is, what if I am dump in school? Dumb means, usually we know those who can't able to speak, isn't it? But here the dump means stupid. So I become stupid means, how do I answer the questions for the teacher and my friends? They won't give any respect to me. If I get dump means nobody give respect, isn't it? So what if I am dump in school? So second is, what if they have closed the swimming pool? Swimming is my favorite hobby. I used to swim in the school. It is a part of activity for me. If they have closed the pool means, how do I enjoy the day? That is my worry. What if they have closed the swimming pool? So what if I get beat up? Beat up means someone beat the child. Someone beaten me means what if I do? What if there's a poison in my cup? Usually we drink something, isn't it, tea or coffee? Suddenly it change poison means what will happen? So the child fear about the what if this, like what if there's a poison in my cup? It is not possible, but the child's imagination like this. What if I start to cry? Normally we won't cry, isn't it? If there anyone scold me or beat me only, we are crying. But the child that suddenly I start to cry means what if I get sick and die? Now many of the people suffering corona, isn't it? So we also think so. What if I get sick and die? If maybe it happened means, but we won't believe anything. We have to believe ourselves. We won't get this type of fears. What if I get sick and die? Suddenly I get some diseases and I died means what if? What if I flunk that test? Flunk means fail. This is the fear usually our students also have, isn't it? In the class, suddenly we have a given test means, we also think that if you fail the test means Miss is scold something, you get fear, isn't it? So that like, what if I flunk that test? I flunked the test. I failed the test means what if? What if green hair grows on my chest? Usually nobody gets green hair, isn't it, in the chest? It is very ugly to see. So what if nobody likes me? Suddenly nobody likes me. Everyone away from me means what is my stage? How do I respond to others? So this is the fear. I jump in school, close the swimming pool, I get beat up, there is a poison in my cup, I start to cry, I get sick and die, I flunk that test, green hair grows on my chest, nobody likes me. So this is very unusual fear, isn't it? Usually we also fear, that is common means maybe we are suffering some disease, we also fail, that like we think, isn't it? The other fear is meaningless. Then why do the poet express this means the child has fully negative thinking. The child has worried so many things, so that only they are getting these fears. Last night, each and every day night the child was thinking the same fear. Okay, what is the meaning of the crawled? Crawled means moving with body. Which animals or insects moving with body? That one. What is the meaning of pranced and potted? Pranced and potted means jumped around. The what ifs jumped around the child's mind. All night long means the whole night the child is disturbed for this what ifs. Old what if song. Dump means, what is the dump meaning here? The meaning of dump is stupid. Then what is the meaning of the flunk? Flunk meaning is fail. So this is the half of the fear. We are going to see remaining fear. Next stanza. What if a bolt of lightning strikes me? What if I don't grow taller? What if my head starts getting smaller? What if the fish won't bite? What if the winds tear up my kite? What if they start a war? What if my parents get divorced? What if the bus is late? What if my teeth don't grow straight? What if I tear my pants? What if I never learn to dance? Everything seems well, and then the night time what if strikes again. Okay, what if a bolt of lightning strikes me? When do we see the lightning? The rainy season, isn't it? Before the rain, the lightnings usually come. So the boy's fear is suddenly the lightning came and crashed the child, means what if? What if I don't grow taller? Usually we grow, isn't it? That is the nature. But the child fear is I don't grow taller means what happened? Nobody likes me, isn't it? What if my head starts getting smaller? Suddenly my head is shrinking smaller means what happens? It is very awkward to see. So what if I do? What if the fish won't bite? The fish won't bite means we have a whenever the fisherman go to fishing means he keeps something in the hook, isn't it? So the none of the fish come and take the bit, means we can't get fish, isn't it? So that is only the no fish come to the fishing. What if the winds tear up my kite? This is very usual thing. When we have a flow the kite, the strong wind come means usually our kite is teared. But this is although the child get fear. Suddenly the strong wind tear my kite means what if? What if they start a war in our country? Suddenly they start a war means what if? What if my parents get divorced? So, this is also unusual figure. Usually we have we have seen some fighting in our home, isn't it? That is simple things only. But the child's fear is, what if my parents get divorced? If they get divorced means how do I survive? I have to survive with mother or father, that like what ifs. What is the bus is late? We have a fear in the school buses. Sometimes the bus is late means in the ma'am asked reason or something only. But we have unusual fear if the bus is late means what if my teeth don't grow in straight? How do our teeth grow? Usually straight only, normal only. But don't grow straight means it is look like a devil, isn't it? So that fear. What if I tear my pants? Suddenly I tear my pants means what happened? Everyone see me very worried, isn't it? What if I never learn to dance? I like dancing. I never learned dance means how do I perform? How do I express my dance in any time? Everything seems well, and then the night time what if strikes again. During the daytime it seems well, okay only, the child's activity, other things, everything very usual. And then the night time the what if strikes again. But when the night time come, that time the child has again suffering from these what ifs. Once again read this. What if a bolt of lightning strikes me? What if I don't grow taller? What if my head start getting smaller? What if the fish won't bite? Here won't bite means in the fishermen, those who have the net, the never fish come to the hook. What if the winds tear up my kite? What if they start a war? What if my parents get divorced? What if the bus is late? What if my teeth don't grow in straight? What if I tear my pants? What if I never learn to dance? Everything seems well, and then the night time what if tries again. Okay, why the poet expressed the poem like so many what ifs means we should be active in our mind. When we free our mind, the unnecessary thoughts into our mind. So we have to be in our interesting activity we have to do. We always have a positive thing. We should be very confident. When we want to do something, we should be fully confident. Okay, the poem is fully pessimistic. The pessimistic means it expresses the negative thinking. Now the adults also get so many fears, isn't it? So this is the child gets so many what if means. How do the child survive? So for us, the poet gave the messages. We should be very positive. We don't talk anytime in the negative things. We don't get any unnecessary fear. Okay, we have to believe ourselves. So we have to clarify everything. We should be very confident. The poet encourages the positive thinking. Okay, so shall we see the rhyming words? Taller, smaller, bite, kite, late, straight, pants, dance, then, again. This is the rhyming words. What is the rhyme scheme of the poem? We have to give first taller, smaller. So the same rhyme pattern. So A. Now bite, kite. So we have to give B. So this is the rhyme pattern is A, B of this poem. Okay. So what is the poem about? Fully negative thoughts. So what is the message of the poet? We should be always positive. Okay, we should be develop our confidence. We have to increase our study. Okay, this is the message of the poet. Thank you children. I hope you have understand the poem. Shall we read the poem fully? Last night, while I lay thinking here, some what ifs crawled inside my ears and partied all night long and sang their same old what if song. What if I am dumb in school? What if they have closed in the pool? What if I get sick and die? What if I get beat up? What if there is a poison in my cup? What if I flunk the test? What if green hair grows on my chest? What if nobody likes me? What if a bolt of lightning strikes me? What if I don't grow taller? What if my head starts to getting smaller? What if the fish won't bite? What if the winds tear up my kite? What if they start a war? What if my parents get divorced? What if the bus is late? What if my teeth don't grow in straight? What if I tear my pants? What if I never learn to dance? Everything seems well, and then the night time what if strikes again? What is the meaning of lightning? We know, isn't it? When the rainy season, we can see the lightning. Then what is the meaning of tears? Tear means stone. What is the meaning of war? It is a fight. So this is the poem you have to learn. Okay. Thank you children.